Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Simply BI. My name is Harshit and today we are going to understand on the concept of product and product X function in DAX. Okay, so let us start. So let's say that you have a total quantity, okay, over here. I'll just zoom in a bit so that it is visible. Does this product function do it? It multiplies all of these values over here. Okay, like 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6. So the value comes to be 720 over here. So this is what the product function do generally. So now let us understand this in the Power BI. Okay, so here I have this column over here and let's say I want the product of the uh, quantity sold. Okay, I want the product of this quantity sold column. So very easy, just create a new measure over here, write product, okay, equals to, we use the product function. Now it is asking the column name, so it is the quantity sold. Great. Now if you click on enter, a measure, okay, already used. Okay, so I might have already created one. So let's name it as product one over here. Product one. Okay, now click on enter. A measure has been created. Now let's simply visualize this measure with the help of a card. Okay, great. So if you just now drag and drop this profit one, product one measure, and it will give you the value for it. Okay, great. Now let's understand what does this product X means. Okay, so when we are talking about this product X function, okay, what does it generally do is, so product X function, uh, let's say that you have this uh, unit cost, you have this unit price over here. Okay. Now, if I want to create a total sales column, which is nothing but the unit cost into the unit price, okay, so I'll get the total sales column. What this product X function will do, it will first multiply the unit cost with unit price, let's say 3 with 9, okay, and then you get a 27 over here, okay. Similarly, the next thing, it will multiply is 23 with 56 and you get some values over here. Now it will find the product of the new column, which is a total sales created, and then it will give you the measure. It will give you the final answer, product answer. Okay, so let's do that. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new visual over here, or sorry, new measure over here. We name it as product X. Okay, and then equals to, we use the product X function over here. And then we enter the table name, which is sales summary over here, and then we will enter the expression. So let's say I will not multiply this unit cost with unit price, instead I will add them. Okay, otherwise our data or our value will be very big. Unit price plus the unit unit cost plus the unit price. Okay, and then click on enter. Okay, so a measure has been created. Now very easy, we will just visualize this with the help of a card. Add a visual over here, add a card, and then drag and drop this product X visual measure. So you can see that the answer is this. We have, because why the values are very big, it is because they have a very big numbers. Okay, we are multiplying so many numbers, so the value is just increasing. Okay, that is why you are seeing this kind of results. Great. To make you more clear on this, so this is the product. Okay, I'll just name this as product over here. So product, it is used, what does it do? It find the product of all the values over here. Okay, if I do the product X, okay, and let's say I have this total quantity and I have this total and I have this unit price. Okay, So let's say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the unit price is, let's say, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. So what this product X generally do, it will take the table name first, and then you have to provide an expression. Okay. So what expression you need to provide? You need to, let's say, I want to add the total quantity and the unit price. Okay. So let's say uh, it is nothing but uh, sum. Okay. I'm just going to add this thing over here. Okay. Then I'll add these two over here. Click on enter. Now, once you have created this column, let's say we have created this as total sales. So what this product X will do, first it will add these two values over here, and then it will put the values in a total sales column, and then what it will do, it will multiply all these values over here and then give you the result. Okay.